All right, coming up next, Bharat Tex 2024, a global textile mega event showcasing India's rich heritage and sustainable industry. For more insights and demos from this iconic platform, let's take a look at Sujata Lochup's report ahead.
Bharat Tex 2024, a global textile extravaganza currently captivating global audiences in New Delhi.
Well, the global market is affected by Indian textiles because they're absolutely amazing. We love the handicraft.
Bharat Tex 2024 is more than just a trade show. It's a dynamic, international industry platform showcasing exhibitions, knowledge sessions and thought-provoking thematic discussions. Government-to-government G2G, business-to-business B2B networks. With more than 3,500 brands showcasing over 10,000 textile products, this exhibition has attracted over 3,000 buyers from across the globe.
Last day was very nice and very good. There was more than 4 or 5 number of customers had visited, which we have receiving for future good orders. They have given us a number of samples, requirement styles.
The event has gone beyond the traditional exhibition format with dedicated pavilions on sustainability and recycling. The exhibition boasts sustainable fashion practices, promoting environment-friendly methods for fabric-to-fiber extraction.
I am here in Bharat Tex displaying the low material impact materials with one of the material which is Himalayan grass grown in Uttarakhand, and one of the thing that it is not using any agricultural land. It grows on the barren lands and providing livelihood to the local peoples in Uttarakhand, women especially.
And also promotes eco-friendly packaging methods.
Yes, we have had good experience. People have walked in, good number of walk-ins, and moreover we had interaction with few people who are really interested in the product, and this actually helped us.
There are interactive fabric testing zones and master classes by craftspersons with rich traditions spanning over 3 generations.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक हैंडलूम है, ये बहुत इजी होता है किसी भी वीवर्स को बीनना.
With India's rich heritage in textile, Bharat Tex 2024 aims to highlight and strengthen its image as a custodian of tradition, innovation and sustainability.
टेक्सटाइल वैल्यू चेन के सभी एलिमेंट्स को 5F के सूत्र से एक दूसरे से जोड़ रहे हैं. ये 5F की यात्रा फार्म, फाइबर, फैक्ट्री, फैशन और फॉरेन, एक प्रकार से पूरा दृश्य हमारे सामने है. 5F के इसी सिद्धांत को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम किसान, बुनकरों, एमएसएमई, एक्सपोर्ट सभी को प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हैं.
Bharat Tex 2024 is being hosted at 2 iconic convention centers, that is at Bharat Mandapam and Yashobhoomi in New Delhi, offering state-of-the-art infrastructure.
Bharat Tex 2024 is a mega textile event which promises to embody seamless fusion of Indian textile heritage along with innovation and technology, further cementing its position as a global textile event. With camera person Sunny and Alok, I Sujata Lochub reporting for DD India.